So in the last video, this thing went through one of the biggest transformations of a single build in one video we've ever had. And I hope you like how it's turning out. Y'all are really digging it on Instagram, so I hope the response is the same on YouTube. If not, be sure to follow us on Instagram. But in this video, we just need to do our finishing touches. We need to do things like hook up the throttle, we need to get our trick little band brake working, and then of course it needs some Gopowersports stickers, and then we'll drive it for y'all.
And these new Gopowersports stickers really match the just look and feel of this bike.
Okay, so we're getting our last Gopowersports stickers on the back. It's basically the Gopowersports brand bike, but it's all their stuff anyway, so we don't mind. And the throttle's going on, so I just gotta kind of tighten this down and how we're thinking. I kind of like this angle right here with our 90-degree Mikuni throttle from Gopowersports. Looks good with our grips as well, so I think this is where she's gonna sit. So we're actually, this is basically just kind of the exact length we're gonna want. And woo! That's a long chain, but it looks sweet. Right now we're installing this Gopowersports catch can. It's a good idea on something that's gonna kind of be moving around with oil and stuff, especially on a built engine, to have a catch can. That way you don't have blow by that gets all over your nice paint and stuff. So this is just held on with hose clamps. We put the clampy part on the inside so it looks all nice and smooth. So we'll get this tightened down and then we can move on to adding all of our breather line.
So everything is done on this thing, and for a final little touch of cafe racer looks, we're gonna put some tape over this headlight.
Yeah, the headlight X is mandatory for all cafe racers. Sorry guys, I don't make the rules.
So before we ride it, we need to do a basic safety check. We need to tune the idle and check the kill switch, and then we're ready.
Let's let it rip. Everything works.
So this thing is completely done. We stopped on the way to get some shots. Y'all saw that in the montage. And we're here at the WESTIN in Frisco's parking lot. So if y'all have any parking lots that we can ride in, make sure to let us know and we'll shout y'all out. And make sure to check out the WESTIN if you need a nice place to stay in the Frisco area. So let's drive this thing.
Smells good.
So this thing's actually super fun. I mean, it's really small, but that kind of adds to the charm of it. It's like kind of silly. I think right now our jet is a little bit too big. We have it all the way leaned out, but it's acting like it's a little rich. So that's something we'll need to fix in the future. But it's pretty fast. I mean, it's not fully there, but it's definitely plenty fast. The brakes are really good. The clutch brakes are a really good idea. And yeah, it's not too shaky. It's a little unstable, but all in all, pretty fun.
Looks super fun, man.
Yeah, no, I really like it.
That's pretty fun. I guess, I mean, it's a mini bike, so it's nothing like crazy. We can't really drift or anything, but it's fun to just sit and cruise. At the new shop, we'll be able to kind of cruise this around a little bit more, you know, but for now, it's definitely a cruiser. I mean, I guess, look at it, you know, I don't know what you'd really expect, but Jason's right about the rejetting. It definitely, when you open the throttle too much, it bogs out because it just gets way too much fuel. I bet you could see black smoke come out of the exhaust or something, but the brakes are killer. Brakes are super good. For those of you who are worried about it overheating, it's running fine. I mean, no symptoms of overheating, except I don't even think it's possible to overheat a 212, honestly. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be a wrap for this one, guys. We'll get a few more clips. Yeah, it's super fun.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thank you Gopowersports. Pretty much everything on this build is from Gopowersports. Thank you to WESTIN for letting us drive here. And thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video, and see you next time.